Okay, students, this is online platform. You can mute, unmute according to your wish. But if there is noise, there is a sound surrounding to you, so you have to be mute. So whatever question you want to ask, whatever doubt you want to clear, you can ask, and I will try to clear your doubts. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, student. So welcome to our online education platform. This is Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika Education Department. In this pandemic, we have going through online education platform, and I am grateful to our education department of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. They have initiated this online platform. So today we are going to learn online. The class is fifth standard and subject is EVS. Okay, students, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I am Ganesh Sudham Ghule, teacher in Municipal Corporation, Brihan Mumbai. My school name is New Mahi Municipal English Upper Primary School. Our nodal beat officer is uh, that is Miss Helata Dumbre madam. Nodal beat officer is Mr. Sharad Kurade sir. Nodal HM is Mrs. Pushpa Mary Paul madam. Assistant Nodal HM is Manpreet Anand sir. And CNO is Ratilal Bungule sir. And Assistant CNO is our Kovragade sir. Students, before we start, let's see thought for the day. The thought for the day, can you read, student?
Can I read?
Yes, of
Don't
course.
work. Dreams do not work unless you do.
Yes, dreams don't work unless you do.
Good morning.
So,
Don't.
suppose you are having any dream, any wish, or any objective, or any aim,
You do.
you have to do something for that. Any dream or any something, if you want to achieve it, something you want to have it, whatever in your life, whatever in your education or any field, suppose you want to achieve something, कुछ आपको हासिल करना है, then you have to work on it, you have to do it, then and then your dreams will come true. Okay, students, before we go ahead, we will recall some previous knowledge, or whatever you are having that previous knowledge, we will just see it. Okay, students, observe this student. Are just like, yes, you can tell me. Yes, student, this is just like something is pointed at bottom, and I don't know the name, but it is a rotating thing. And what is this, student? Can you tell me? Yes, students.
Clock.
No, you can zoom it. This is wheel, and what is this?
Bill. Fan.
Fan. What is this?
Fan. Oh, Mela.
Yes, this is giant wheel. And
And
what is this, student?
marble.
Marble. ये गोटिया है. Like, so
Kotia.
what is one similar thing in all these things? What is similar thing? What is same in
First.
all these things? What is similarity in all these things? What is common in all these things?
Diva.
Okay, I'm I will tell you. So students, these all things rotates. ये घूमते हैं, right?
Yes.
Yes, these all things rotates. This just like top, it rotates. This is bicycle wheel, it also
Oh,
rotates. This is
rotate.
fan,
And fan is
this
also
also rotates. This is giant wheel, Mela ka wheel, this
ro-
also
ro-
rotate. And
and
this
and
marble,
marbles. Marcel
marble, if you spin it, oh, that start rotating, it
yes.
revolves, it
Goal, goal,
spins.
goal, goal.
Yes, yes, exactly correct. So one common thing is that this is things which rotates. So students, I want to tell you one thing which is common in all these things, and in science or in EVS we call it as motion. What is motion? What is student?
Motion.
Motion. Can
Motion.
you repeat the spelling?
Motion.
Yes,
Motion.
student, motion is there. If there is a movement, something, so you can say this is scientific word, that is motion. It is
Motion.
motion. Understood? So
Yes.
students, today we are going to see motion, but kiska?
EVS science. Earth.
Earth motion, correct. So student, this is sun, and these other four are.
Earth.
Yes. So this is motions of the earth, part one we are going to see first. Are you ready, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is page of your textbook, and here we are
Yes.
going to see, we are going to learn motions of the earth's motion. What do you see in this, student? What is this?
For Earth.
This is, what is this?
Chapter sec
You
2.
can zoom it, student.
For Earth. एक minute.
This
Oh,
picture is, I am
top,
circling it.
top,
What is there?
a
Yes,
top,
exactly. It is top.
top.
It also rotates. It has motion. Correct? उसको
Yes.
भी motion है, movement है. Okay,
हाँ.
student. So next, what is this? This is
Earth.
student.
Oh,
It is
globe. Globe.
globe. It is globe.
Globe.
This is very small structure of the earth, and this small structure of the earth, it is just like earth, which is very small, just like our football, that
Globe.
is globe.
Yes.
Okay. So student, motions of the earth. Motion means movement of the earth. Okay, see the student this.
Yes.
Yes, this is a top,
A
and
top.
Top.
Round.
it is
Goal.
spinning.
Round.
Painting.
Painting.
It is spinning. It is
Spinning.
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 Yes.
Spinning.
And you know the line or the tap. Sorry, you can see the nail. इसमें खिला होता है student. That
हाँ
nail.
पता है.
Yes. So that nail, this nail, and
Nail.
it rotates around the nail.
Nail.
That top spin around the nail.
Nail.
Correct?
Yes.
Same thing, student. Similar way, you can see the earth. It also
Rotation
rotates.
of the
Yes.
earth.
But students,
Motion of the earth.
see this. This top is rotating around this nail.
Nail.
Nail यानी वो खीले के around rotate
खिला.
हो रहा है. And this is called axis. This is called
Axis.
axis.
A-X-I-S.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is called axis, students. So the axis, it can be, you have seen the bicycle wheel.
Yes.
Yes. This bicycle wheel axis is just like this. इसके
Yeah.
around bicycle, तो axis ये ऐसा है. That this axis is horizontal. Correct?
Horizontal. Yes.
Okay, students. Now you can see here. Here, this is axis
Yes.
of fan. ये कैसा है?
Axis.
From up to down.
Up
Now
to
in
down.
this, here this is axis. इसके around ये
Yes.
revolve हो रहा है.
Yes.
Okay.
In this
Here
case,
ये wheel and this is axis.
middle axis.
Here,
Okay.
this is axis. So
Right.
student, and if this is marble and it rotates, this will be the axis.
Axis.
Students, you can see here कि axis may be from up to down or side to side. Here, this is horizontal axis. This is vertical axis. This is also vertical axis. This is horizontal axis. This is vertical axis. So student, axis can be of any direction. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal. Correct? So axis can be vertical or horizontal. So इसके around जो revolve होता है, this is called axis. Okay, student?
Yes,
Student?
sir.
Yes. So what is the
Yes, sir.
axis? Can you tell me axis of fan? Ceiling fan का axis ऐसे होता है?
सर घूमता है वो.
Yes, correct. And जो table fan होता है, उसका axis ऐसे होता है. This is axis.
Axis.
Table fan axis. This is ceiling fan axis. Understood, student?
Yes, sir.
Just like here, this is axis of the top, and here, student, you can see the axis here. This is axis of the earth. Understood? This is axis of the
Yes,
Earth,
sir.
and Earth is revolving around this axis. Earth is revolving around this axis. Understood? Student, you can see the here axis is ekdam straight, but here in our Earth, axis is just tilted. टॉप में एक्सिस सीधा है, अर्थ के इसमें एक्सिस थोड़ा टिल्टेड है. ये अर्थ का एक्सिस है, अर्थ एक्सिस, और ये टॉप का एक्सिस है, भौरे का एक्सिस है.
प्लीज जोर से आना.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
So this is
Yes,
earth
sir.
axis. Followed, student?
Yes.
You can see here, actually earth axis ऐसा होना चाहिए था, but it is tilted. It should have been like this, but it is tilted. Understood? Okay.
धीरे से नहीं बोल सकते.
Okay, student.
धीरे से.
So we are going to see rotation and revolution. See rotation, student. The turning of object around itself is called rotation. I am repeating, turning of the object around itself is called rotation. Here, student, this is axis and top is rotating, top is rotating, top is rotating. Here, this is earth axis and earth is rotating, earth is rotating. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ये rotation around what, student? What is this? Around axis. This is called rotation of object around itself is called rotation. The imaginary line around which it rotates is called axis. So, student, it is imaginary line around it object rotate is called axis. Student, here this is imaginary line. This is imaginary line. Axis is imaginary line. It is not a real line. जो axis होता है, it is imaginary. This is axis of the earth. Our sun, and earth revolves around the sun. This is called revolution of the earth.
Sir,
The movement of an object. Yes.
The movement of an
Yes.
object in a circular path around another object is called revolution.
Revolution. It is called revolution. Understood, student? It is called revolution. This top is rotating. Earth is rotating. But here it is revolving around the sun. So here this is revolution and this is rotation. Understood, student?
Yes, sir.
Fan is rotating and जो have you seen the circus where मौत का कुआं देखा है? मौत का कुआं देखा है किसी ने?
Yes.
So is revolution around the sun. जो भी ऐसे होता है, that is revolution around the sun, and this is rotation around the sun. This is our earth and this is axis. This is axis and students see here, this is also earth, this is also earth. Both these A and B, these are earth, but this earth axis is completely straight, but here the axis is tilted. So student, actually our earth axis is like B earth, it is tilted. Student, ये axis थोड़ा झुका हुआ है, it is tilted. And in picture A, axis is very straight. Here this axis is very straight, which is wrong, but here the axis is tilted. This is correct. So
Correct.
student, tell me, earth का axis tilted है या straight है?
Tilted.
अर्थ का एक्सिस tilted है, झुका हुआ है, करेक्ट?
Yes.
Okay student, so is it imaginary or is it real axis is there? जैसे बाइसिकल में एक्सिस होता है, उधर दिखता भी है, but here it is imaginary axis. It is imaginary axis. It is imaginary axis and it is tilted. It is not straight. It is tilted. झुका हुआ है ये axis. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh, here, student, this is North Pole. This is South
North
Pole.
Pole.
This is equator. Student, the line is exactly at middle of the earth. It is called equator. Understood, student? Suppose this is
Yes,
our
sir.
earth and this is imaginary line. इसे कहेंगे equator. Understood? This is North Pole.
South Pole.
South
North
Pole.
Pole or South Pole.
And what
South
is this,
Pole.
student? What is this? What is this?
Equator.
Equator. What is this? Equator. So equator did two parts of the earth. So equator did two parts of the earth. This is upper, this is north side, this is south side. It is north hemisphere, south hemisphere. So towards north, it is north hemisphere. Towards south, it is south hemisphere. And it is done by this line. This is called equator. अंडरस्टूड? ये जो लाइन जिसने नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर एंड साउथ हेमिस्फीयर क्रिएट किया, दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्वेटर. So student, you can again see here, this is equator, this is north hemisphere, and this is south hemisphere. You can see north hemisphere and south hemisphere. This north hemisphere and south hemisphere is done by equator. It is done by equator. Understood, student? And what is this?
Yes, sir. Equator.
Student, this is equator है और ये axis है. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
A is axis or B is axis? Okay, student, axis and equator. So student, once again here, this is axis, this is north pole, this is south pole. This is axis, this is north pole, this is equator, this is south pole, and our axis is tilted. And these are sun rays. Here you can see day, and here you can see night.
Sir.
Yes, student.
Sir.
Yes. What?
North Pole. This side is South North Hemisphere, and South Pole. This side is South Hemisphere.
Here towards north, this is north hemisphere. Towards south, it is south hemisphere. This is north hemisphere. This is south hemisphere. But this point is north pole and this point is south pole. ये जो point है ये north pole है और ये point है ये south pole है. But this
North
complete
Pole and South Pole.
this complete is north hemisphere and this complete is south hemisphere. ये जो half earth है, this is north hemisphere and this half earth is south hemisphere.
South Hemisphere.
But this point, this exactly point is north pole. This is north pole. And this point is south pole. Student, this complete is
North Pole.
नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर,
North hemisphere.
नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर। और ये
North
छोटा जो पॉइंट होता है ये नॉर्थ पोल है। दिस इज नॉर्थ
Yes.
पोल। ये this point is called north pole, and this complete is north hemisphere. This complete is north hemisphere, but this point is north pole. Understood? North pole is that just point, and north hemisphere is this complete is north hemisphere. ये पूरा नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर है। स्टूडेंट ये क्या है?
North
नॉर्थ पोल।
Pole.
व्हाट इज दिस? नॉर्th पोल। But this complete half earth is north hemisphere.
Oh, your voice is not coming.
ये जो this point is called north pole, but this complete is called north hemisphere. So student, here this is axis. Sun rays are falling here. So here you will see day, and here you will see night. And this is equator. This is earth, and this is axis which is tilted, and this is equator. This small point is north pole, this small point is south pole, and sun rays are coming here, and towards this it is day, toward this side it is. So student, here you can see this is sun, and here sun rays are coming. So this part where you can see day, and this part you can see night. Followed student?
Yes.
Okay. So you can see here
Night.
what is this and what is this?
Morning and night.
Morning and night.
Okay, correct. So this is in night you can see the moon, and during day you can see the sun. Correct? Okay. Student, you can see this picture here. This is axis, and this earth is rotating around axis, and you can see here this part which is toward the sun part. Understood? Followed student? Part is day and this part is night. Why it is day towards this side? Because of the sun rays falling on the earth. Okay. The period of time that earth takes complete one rotation is called day. Student, this complete rotation, one rotation is called day. That one rotation around the axis is called a day. Means, student, please pay attention. This daytime and this which time? Night time. This day and this night completely you can call a day. Student, daytime plus
Time, night
night
time.
time. This daytime and night time, this all together is called day.
Day.
So daytime 12 hours, night time 12 hours.
Well,
This 12 plus 12, that is 24 hour, it is called a day. Understood, student?
yeah.
Day means just not only day. Day means 12 hours daytime and 12 hours night time. It is called day. So daytime
Day.
that is 12 hours, 12 hours.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
So this is complete a day. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So
Sir, your voice is not coming.
rotation is motion of the object around its axis. Then what is revolution? Rotation means this is rotation. Object revolves, rotate around the axis. This is called rotation. And revolution means it is revolving around the object. This is called revolution. And this is rotation. Okay. The period of the time that Earth takes to complete one rotation, that is called
Day.
day. The N and letter S donates here. N means North Hemisphere and S means South Hemisphere. Students, remember this. This is North Hemisphere and this is South Hemisphere. This complete is North Hemisphere. This half is South Hemisphere. This is North Hemisphere. This is South
It
Hemisphere.
means year. The paper रही ना तब तो पक्का है ना
Okay, student, the imaginary circle which divide the Earth
पेपर रही तो
in North and South pole, that is called, this is imaginary circles. This is our Student, this is Earth. This imaginary circle. This is, what do you call this?
North.
This is,
South. South.
what do you call this line? What do you call this circle? This is equator. Understood?
Yes.
Student, we have learned rotation, revolution. So, student, here you can see this is axis and this is rotation. This is north hemisphere, this is equator, and this is south hemisphere. Student, you can see here, you can observe this earth is rotating, and this side is day and this side
Night.
is night. Correct. So student, daytime plus night time, it is called a day. Okay. The period of time that the earth takes to complete one rotation is called day. So this one complete rotation where you can see a day and night is called a day. A day has two parts, daytime and night time. Student, you can see here, this time is daytime and this time is night
Night.
time. See, these both day and night total is called day. So we divide whole day into 24 parts. Each one is called an hour. So student, here this this daytime is called 12 hours. This night time 12 hours. So 12 plus 12, 12
20.
plus, yes, so 24 hours, that is called a day. So 12 hour plus 12 hour, 12 hour day, 12 hour
Night.
night. This is 24, that is hour, that is day. So one day is equal to 24 hour. One day, that is 24 hours.
Hours.
So students, this earth is rotating around the sun. Earth is rotating around the,
Sun.
sorry, earth is revolving around the sun. Earth is revolving around the sun. Earth is revolving around the sun.
Sun.
Okay. Now you can see student, this earth axis is tilted, right? Here it is tilted. So you can see here, sometime north hemisphere is toward the sun, sometime south hemisphere is towards the sun. So student, a year, the period of time that the earth takes to complete one revolution around the sun is called year. So there are 365 days, 365 days and 6 hours, 365 days and 6 hours. So for 1 year, how many days? 365 days and 6 hours. Not for 1 year, there are 365 days plus 6 hours. What is a leap year? In Gregorian calendar, the year is taken to have 365 days. It means that it counts 6 hours less every year. Student, see here. 1 year, 365 days and 6 hours. So every year we count only 365 days. We are not counting 6 hours. We are not counting these 6 hours. Understood, student? 1 year, 365 days, 6 hours. Another year, 365 days, 6 hours. Another year, 365 days, 6 hours. Another year, 365 days, 6 hours. Student, so first year, 365 days we are counting, but we are not counting 6 hours. Another year, 365 days we are counting, we are not counting 6 hours. Third year also we are counting 365 days, not counting 6 hours. Fourth year also same, we are counting 365 days, not 6 hours. So student, what is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6? How many hours? Yes, student, 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. How many hours total?
18.
6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours.
18 star.
18. 18 or 24. 6 fours are
24.
24. So student, for 4 years, we have not counted this 24 hours. But 24 hours means how many days? 24 hours means how many days? 24 hour means 1 day. So student, after 4 year, we add this 1 day, actually 365 days plus 1 day. How many days? 365 day plus 1 day. How many day? 365 plus 1. That is 366 days. So student, when if you see 366 days, that will be a leap year. So student, leap year has 366 days. Leap year has 366 days. Leap year has 366 days. Understood, student? So student, here you can see the revolution of the earth around the sun. This is complete, see student, this revolution from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, again from here to here. So this one revolution, it is a year. So in leap year, student, a year 365 days, but a leap year is
366 days. 366 days.
Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, Shishir. So these are 6 season of year. You can take the screenshot. This cycle of 6 season is called Ritu Chakra. This cycle of 6 season is called Ritu Chakra. How many seasons are there? Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, and Shishir. So these are 6 season in a year, and this season is called Ritu Chakra. It is Ritu Chakra. It is cycle. That's why it is called Ritu Chakra. So the rotation of the earth gives rise to day and night. So this rotation gives rise to day and night. So student, rotation is for day and night, and revolution is for rotation gives you day and night, and revolution gives you seasons. So now it is rainy season. Before it was summer season. So from summer season to rainy season, this is because of revolution. Now student, now it is daytime. After some time there will be night. This is due to rotation. Understood, student? Revolution gives you season. Rotation gives you day night. Rotation gives you day night, and revolution gives you season. I am repeating once again. Rotation gives you day and night. Revolution gives you different season. So from summer to rainy season to winter to again summer season. This is due to revolution. Revolution gives you season, rotation gives you day night. Understood this? Followed, student? Okay. So earth takes dash days and dash hours to complete one revolution around the sun. So student, earth take 365 days and 6 hours, but we do not count 6 hours. So 6 hours, that is 24 hours, that is one day. We add this one day in leap year. So already 365 days plus one day, total 366 days in leap year. Leap year has leap year has 366 days. I am repeating, student. Leap year how many days? 366 days.
366 days.
Leap year how many days? 366 day.
Days.
Normal year 365 day, but leap year 366 days. Normal year 365 days. Leap year 366 days. How many days in leap year? 366 days. And in normal year, that is 365 days. So in the dash calendar, the year is taken to have 365 days. Which calendar is Gregorian calendar. In the leap year, there are dash days. In leap year, there are dash days in the month of February. In the leap year, February month has 29 days. February month has 29 days. As per Indian calendar, how many seasons do we have? As per Indian calendar, how many seasons do we have? 6 seasons. The cycle of 6 season is called Ritu Chakra. Cycle of 6 season is called Ritu Chakra. Student, take this screenshot for your homework. Students, take this screenshot for your homework. Okay, students, take this screenshot also where you can revise yourself. Student, we will see another part in coming lecture. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.